Before modern resuscitation, doctors tried treatments so strange they sound invented. But in 18th century London, this was accepted medicine.
He is breathing, but only just. His skin is ice cold.
Doctor, what are we supposed to do now? Keep him warm and watch his breathing closely. Bring me the resuscitation case, then prepare the bellows without delay.
You mean tobacco smoke can revive a drowned man? Doctor, how could forcing smoke into him possibly help?
We believe warmth and stimulation may rouse someone apparently drowned. The tobacco smoke is meant to provide both at once. By the 1780s, equipment like this stood ready at rescue points along the Thames, waiting for the next drowning emergency.
The evidence is unmistakable. Tobacco does not restore the failing heart. In sufficient quantity, it can stop the heart altogether.
As safer resuscitation methods improved and tobacco's dangers became clear, the smoke bellows quietly disappeared from medical practice throughout Britain.
People often link this treatment to the phrase blowing smoke up your backside, but that origin story is probably a myth. So, 300 years from now, which treatment we use today will seem just as unbelievable. Tell me what you think in the comments. For more strange history and the myths hiding inside it, subscribe.